How to lose weight with the Nutrisystem diet plan. Losing weight can be challenging, especially when faced with countless diet options. The Nutrisystem diet plan offers a structured, convenient, and science-backed weight loss approach. Designed to simplify the process, this plan focuses on portion control, balanced nutrition, and low glycemic meals to help you shed unwanted pounds effectively and sustainably. Let's explore how the Nutrisystem diet plan works and how you can use it to achieve your weight loss goals. What is the Nutrisystem diet plan? The Nutrisystem diet plan is a commercial weight loss program that provides pre-packaged, portion-controlled meals and snacks. It is based on the principles of calorie control, balanced macronutrients, and frequent eating to keep your metabolism active and reduce hunger. Nutrisystem offers various plans tailored to different needs, including options for men, women, people with diabetes, and vegetarians. How does the Nutrisystem diet plan work? 1. Portion control. One of the primary benefits of the Nutrisystem diet is its emphasis on portion control. By providing pre-measured meals, the plan removes the guesswork from calorie counting and helps you avoid overeating. 2. Balanced nutrition. Nutrisystem meals are designed to include the right balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The plan prioritizes low glycemic carbs, which help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes, making it easier to stick to the diet. 3. Frequent meals. The program encourages eating 6 small meals daily, 3 main meals and 3 snacks, to keep your metabolism active, reduce cravings, and prevent hunger. 4. Personalized plans. Nutrisystem offers tailored plans based on gender, age, activity level, and weight loss goals. These customized options ensure the right calorie and nutrient intake for your specific needs. 5. Home delivery. All meals and snacks are delivered directly to your doorstep, making the plan convenient and time-saving. This eliminates the need for meal prep or grocery shopping. Steps to lose weight with the Nutrisystem diet plan. Step 1. Choose the right plan. Nutrisystem offers several plans, including Basic, Uniquely Yours, and Uniquely Yours Max Plus. Each plan differs in meal variety, customization options, and pricing. Choose a plan that aligns with your budget, dietary preferences, and weight loss goals. Step 2. Follow the meal plan. You will consume 6 meals daily: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 3 snacks. The pre-packaged meals provided by Nutrisystem will form the core of your diet. You will also add fresh fruits, vegetables, and dairy products as directed to supplement your meals. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support digestion. Aim for at least 8–10 glasses of water daily. Step 4. Incorporate physical activity. While Nutrisystem provides the foundation for weight loss through diet, incorporating regular exercise can enhance your results. Most days of the week, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity, such as walking, cycling, or yoga. Step 5. Transition to independent eating. Nutrisystem helps you transition to independent eating by teaching portion control and healthy meal planning as you approach your weight loss goal. This ensures that you can maintain your results long-term. Sample day on the Nutrisystem diet plan. Breakfast. 1. Nutrisystem blueberry muffin. 2. A small apple morning snack. 1. Nutrisystem snack bar. 2. 1 cup of baby carrots lunch. 1. Nutrisystem grilled chicken sandwich. 2. A side salad with non-fat dressing. Afternoon snack. 1. 1 hard-boiled egg. 2. A handful of cherry tomatoes. Dinner. 1. Nutrisystem lasagna with meat sauce. 2. Steamed broccoli. Evening snack. 1. Nutrisystem chocolate chip cookie. 2. Herbal tea. Benefits of the Nutrisystem diet plan. 1. Convenience with pre-packaged meals delivered to your doorstep. The Nutrisystem diet eliminates the need for meal planning and grocery shopping, saving time and effort. 2. Effective portion control. The plan's portion-controlled meals help prevent overeating and make it easier to stay within your calorie limit. 3. Balanced nutrition. Nutrisystem meals are designed to balance nutrients, ensuring you get what your body needs while losing weight. 4. Flexibility. The plan allows you to supplement pre-packaged meals with fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, giving you some control over your diet. 5. Support and guidance. Nutrisystem offers access to online tools, tracking apps, and counseling to help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Tips for success on the Nutrisystem diet plan. 1. Follow the plan closely. Stick to the meal plan and portion sizes provided to maximize results. 2. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Make Nutrisystem meals a regular part of your routine to build healthy habits. 3. Incorporate fresh foods. Enhance your meals with fresh fruits, vegetables, and dairy as recommended to ensure a balanced diet. 4. Stay active. Combine your diet with regular exercise to boost weight loss and overall health. 5. Track your progress. Use Nutrisystem's online tools or a journal to monitor your weight, meals, and physical activity. Conclusion. The Nutrisystem diet plan is a convenient, structured, and effective way to lose weight. By focusing on portion control, balanced nutrition, and frequent meals, this plan simplifies the weight loss process while teaching sustainable habits. While it may have some challenges, such as cost and reliance on pre-packaged foods, the plan's benefits often outweigh these drawbacks. With dedication and a commitment to follow the plan, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthier lifestyle in the long term. Loudspeaker. Let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with others.